So this is our new switch and go system that we have here at Alamo Auto Supply. It's a great way for somebody to be able to have one truck and utilize it in many different ways. The system will actually allow you to take a body on and off fairly easily. Let me show you how that works. Get it wired up, take the safety pin out, and then we can just start lifting the body up to put it in a position where we can take it off. This particular hoist is designed for an 84-inch cabin chassis vehicle. It does have to work on like a F450 to a F750 size is what they recommend for these. Once we lift it up, we can start lowering the body down. Once the body's down, all you have to do is just give a little bit of slack on the cable itself and then undo the hook that's right underneath the front end. Once you undo the hook, you can line up the truck to the next body, put the hook back on it, and pull the next body right back up. Be it a flatbed, a stake bed, if you want to have a dumpster body such as this one, if you wanted a trash bin, they make van bodies for them, they make storage bins for them, and then they even make separate subframes to where you can take a body that you might already have on a cabin chassis vehicle, put it on that, and then you can utilize that same chassis or bed that you have already and use it on your hoist, and then just buy multiple beds. So the truck and the bed that you have would still be used even though you already have it, and then be able to switch it to the hoist system. The 84CA is what Alamo is going to be stocking on a regular basis, and then bodies for the 84CA. They do work on longer bodies, and then the beds and everything will be larger sizes also. And we can special order those and get those fairly quickly from two different warehouses out of Phoenix and Dallas. But the 84 cab axle is going to be the one that's the most common. So that's the one we're going to be stocking, and if somebody needs that, we'll be able to install that fairly quickly. All the installation is done here on site also. Bringing it up is just as easy. You start pulling the bed up. This particular system is a 15,000-pound system. It's an electrical system. They do make it in a hydraulic version also, which is a little bit more heavy duty. The electric one is the one most people get just because of the value and the pricing on the electrical. The industrial strength Warren winch holds 15,000 pounds, so it's going to basically max out the GVWR on this particular vehicle anyway. So you don't need anything stronger than that. This body weighs about 2,000 pounds, so you've got about a 13,000 pound capacity that you can pull on this. It's got two clips at the top that actually lock it into place. It has a C-clip at the top. When you pull it all the way up, it's going to lock it in, and then you have a pin that secures that lock and keeps it from moving. And that's it, you're ready to go.